We all know how to grieve pag wala na. But we don't talk about the grieving and the despair and the helplessness while you're fighting. Surrender is the more complete phrase is, how do I surrender you? Because I don't know how to do it. I don't want to do it. Kasi pag may sakit, hindi naman yung may sakit lang yung nagsasuffer. Lahat ng nagmamahal. May sakit, you're afflicted with the despair, yung helplessness, di ba? So parang magdadasal ka, di ba? Anong pwede? Pero I did. That's from experience. But I think that I wrote it from experience has everything to do with that, whether I wrote it or not. It was just me who wrote it. All of us know that story. I think all of you would know that story too. Yeah. This song is something that nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody wants to talk about it. Minsan meron tayong, you would know somebody very close to you, or you know of somebody, maybe second degree, third degree, who is in that situation. And we all know it. Yeah? Mahirap yung, we all know how to grieve pag wala na. But we don't talk about the grieving and the despair and the helplessness while you're fighting. It doesn't mean they're gonna go. Hindi nga natin alam. It's open-ended. The song is open-ended. It doesn't say whether they made it, they didn't make it. It just speaks of the despair of the loved one who is hoping and praying na hindi umabot sa kinatatakutan niya.